Many sales teams don't realize they're off track until the month is almost over, and by then, there's usually not much you can do to change the outcome. Hey, I'm Moniz from Databox, and this is my AI avatar. In this video, I'll show you how to track daily sales progress by comparing actual revenue to your expected goal pace, so you always know where you stand and whether you're on track to hit your monthly target. On the screen here, I've added total monthly recurring revenue, sales-led monthly recurring revenue, and my goal to a single line chart. To create a goal line that steadily increases throughout the month, I used the advanced period setting. Here, I was able to break down my monthly goal into daily increments, turning one big number into a clear daily expectation. You can also add a comparison line to compare this month's trends to the previous period, making it easier to understand your team's natural sales rhythm and spot potential issues earlier. Now, instead of just seeing how much revenue we've generated, I'm seeing that performance in context. At any point in the month, I can quickly tell whether we're keeping pace, falling behind, or pulling ahead of our goal. This view is especially powerful when you check it daily. If the actual revenue line starts dipping below the goal pace, that's an early signal that momentum may be slowing. Flat or stalled sections often point to deals getting stuck or new revenue not coming in as expected. With this setup, sales leaders don't have to wait until the end of the month to see how things went. Try building this chart in your Databox account today and make it part of your daily check-in. And if you need help setting up your goals, the Databox team is always here to help.